Here's Ninima, and today I have a new thing I want to show you. And now we are teaching about how to get enlightened, how to reach your goal, how to get out of stress, how to get out of anxiety, how to do what you don't dare to do, and how to become more joyful. But now, this is our nature, so I'm teaching you about your nature. And today you'll see this. We have a big tree, and now you can see we have one other plant, which is, what's there? Yeah, isn't it wonderful? See, it's talking with us. See, you can see there is some other plants living, beautiful plants here, living up against this big tree. And it's a very big tree. Can you see this very big tree? So it's very high, and the plant here, it's going very high up as well. And it's climbing up. See, the plants, they don't have a mind. Sometimes I say stupid mind, because sometimes the mind is, we have made it very stupid. It's not stupid, the mind is not stupid, but we have making the tool of the mind a little stupid sometimes, what we have put into it. So we think some way which make us not to climb up. So if this one had a human mind, it will never be able to climb up, because only a few of them, because most people have an idea that they are not able to climb up, because they only see some people in the screen, in the movies, or in the television or whatever, that they can do it, but I cannot do it. But I know they can do it, but I cannot do it. But I can watch it, and then I feel comfortable, because then I enjoy the excitement what they have with being in it. I know it for myself, and I've seen a video. It makes me a movie. Some movie makes me excited. But see, if you look at this plant here, it don't have any stupid thoughts about how do I get up there, because it's just doing it. And it don't have anybody who say, no, you are not able to climb up, so you shall not climb up. You shall not climb this way. You have to see, it's full here, down here. See, here it's full here. So then, if it was with a human mind, it will say, oh, only stay here because we are staying here. Oh, only stay here because we are staying here. You should not climb up. See, and see what happened. There's maybe another one, but see, there's some which have very big leaves and some have smaller leaves. See here, what happened? Sometimes in nature change, so when you change, your physical nature also changes. If you want to change from inside, you begin to change. You see the leaves, there one more, we have more here. They're climbing up, you have to see it. So they are a picture of you, because everything is coming out of the same. We all come out of the same. We all come out of the same. So we have a very beautiful tree here again. See her. Wow, isn't it beautiful? This is Tarzan's tree. Where's Jane? Tarzan and Jane. Okay, this is you. You're both Tarzan and Jane, and see how I can I can hold one. Hello. Whoa. So see here, and this is like a Buddha tree, because such kind of tree was such one. Buddha was sitting up. I have been the place where Buddha is sitting in. It's in the south of Nepal. But now you look up here. See, can't you see it? They have this big leaves climbing up there. If you can see them at all, it's difficult here, very difficult. But see, you see, there's one. Oh, something happened. I don't know what is happening. See, there's some here, and see, they're here. Here they are. Here they are. Way out. See? So there. Yeah. We have to take something away here. Here we still are. So, wow! Look at this. Look at this. This is a picture of you. See here. See here. See here. See here. This is a picture of you. Wow! Look at it. Hello. See here. You look up there. Can you see how they're climbing up there? This is a picture of you. This is a picture of the other kind of you you're not used to see. Okay. We have a lot here. We have a lot here. So, and here's a tree. There's many of this kind of tree. Wow, isn't it great? So this is a picture of you. This is a great tree, and you are as well like this tree. And what I said in another movie, it was believing. See, this plant don't have any ideas about that. I don't believe I can do all this. Just do it, because that is meant to be. It's meant to do like that. Okay. So bye here for now. Bye bye. Lene Bell.